Hey there, it's Akif from Insightful Botics. Today, we're diving into making cool AI videos using InVideo AI and ChatGPT. If you're into tech and creative stuff, hit subscribe. We'll start with InVideo AI, then add a personal touch with ChatGPT so you can make awesome AI-powered videos. Excited? Hit like. And let's get started on this fun journey of creating with InVideo AI and ChatGPT. Open Google and search ChatGPT. Generate a script for an animated video or whatever you want, and then copy the generated script. Again, open Google and search in video, open the first website, and then sign in to your account. I have already signed up, so I will simply paste the generated script and click Generate, and it will start generating your video. After the video is generated, click on Export, and it will render your video. After rendering, download the video, and don't forget to copy description. Results?
Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, an enchanted forest stretched out as far as the eye could see, home to mystical creatures and wonders beyond even the wildest of imaginations. In a humble village on the edge of this magical realm lived a young adventurer named Alex. Driven by an insatiable curiosity, Alex's life took a turn when they discovered a mysterious map that seemed to point to the very heart of the enchanted forest.
Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of AI-generated videos. If you're eager to dive into creating your own, check out InVideo and ChatGPT. InVideo makes video creation a breeze with its user-friendly platform, while ChatGPT by OpenAI adds creativity and intelligence to your scripts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and until next time, happy creating with the power of AI.